June 1st marks the beginning of what those of you down in Florida and other locations in the South have come to know as hurricane season. During week 6, which I've titled In the Eye of the Storm, we're going to take a really close look into all the facets of a hurricane, from hurricane information to formation to economic impact. We'll have it all covered this week. I can still remember my first hurricane experience. It was 1995 and Hurricane Aaron started as a tropical depression off the west coast of Africa. Aaron made landfall off the east coast of Florida in early August as a Category 1 hurricane. Now, as you will find out this week, a Category 1 hurricane is the least powerful of all the hurricanes. This is simply amazing to me because I was in awe of the incredible power of the winds from Aaron, which peaked out about 100 miles an hour. Hurricane Aaron's impact was moderate. It caused about $700 million worth of damage, killed 3 people, and sank a number of ships. In addition, the hurricane spawned 2 tornadoes. It was certainly a natural disaster that I will never forget. Hurricanes are the largest storms on Earth, and as we know, if they make landfall in a populated area, devastation is sure to occur. A hurricane is nothing more than a slow-moving, extreme low pressure system. But there is a critical fundamental difference between these low pressure systems and the low pressure systems that create thunderstorms and tornadoes. That difference is their location. A low pressure system over land is moisture starved compared to the low over warm ocean water. This is important because that's where a hurricane gets its constant supply of energy. Now, consider this cup of water. It's got nice warm water in it. The warmer this water is, the faster the individual water molecules are moving in the water. The faster they move, the easier it is for them to escape the forces that are holding them down, like air pressure. This means that they can evaporate really easily and quickly. Such is the case in the open ocean. The warm ocean water evaporates quickly and easily, allowing the molecules of water to rise, just like the molecules of water in this cup would rise because they're escaping the surface of the water. When they rise, they enter cooler air, which causes them to condense together and form water droplets. This condensation is critical, absolutely critical, in the formation of a hurricane. When molecules of water condense together, they release something known as latent heat energy. It's this latent heat energy that then fuels a hurricane and helps to sustain the incredibly destructive winds. So, as long as there is warm ocean water, there will always be enough energy to keep that low pressure system at hurricane strength. This week you'll watch a number of videos about hurricane formation. You'll see and hear information about a unique physical process called the Coriolis effect. This process explains why hurricanes and larger circular systems deflect to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. Incidentally, the Coriolis effect does not explain why the drains in your bathroom go down either clockwise or counterclockwise. That's an old wives' tale that just simply is not accurate. In addition to hurricane formation, we'll examine what humans are doing to lessen the impact from hurricanes. It's always our goal to protect life and property, so we'll see ways that researchers and engineers are taking what we're learning from these natural events and applying that information to make our quality of life a little bit better. Lastly, what would a lesson on hurricanes be without a look at a hurricane that changed America, Hurricane Katrina? You'll be watching a video that examines how race and class affected individuals experiencing that storm. It's a thought-provoking video that will probably generate quite a discussion in our forums. Although not all of us will ever have the opportunity to experience one of the most powerful storms on Earth, all of us will feel the financial and societal impacts of these disasters. Now, let's go learn a lot more about hurricanes.